warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah. How about you?
Thank you for asking me. Before we start our lesson today, let's start by praying Basmalah first together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Alright. Everyone here today?
Not yet.
Okay. Maybe they are on the way. Before that, I have a question for you guys before we start our lesson today. Sometimes when we read a good story, we feel happy, excited, and enjoy, right?
Yes.
And when have you ever read a good story, everyone? Or when we read a story, we can feel happy because for the plot, for the character, for the appearance, and for the characters, we can see about the characters of the figure, like they are brave, they are kind, or they are honest like this. And have you ever read a story before you sleep at night when you are a child, everyone? Maybe your parents read you a story before you sleep at night, like this? No. No? Okay, I have several pictures for you. I have 4 pictures for you. All of you know this title, everyone, for this story? Yes. Yes. The first number, the title is Jakartaru. And how about you, Mbak Isa? Do you know what's the title of number 2?
Yeah, Marikunda.
Yes, good. And number 3, everyone, do you know? Korean. Yes. And the last is?
Kelmas.
All of you know about the story. So today we will learn how to analyze about narrative text, how to analyze the characteristic of the narrative text, about the language features and the genetic structure of narrative text. So we will be able to analyze the characteristic, we will be able to analyze the structure, character, plot, and something from a narrative text. So the definition, we have the definition of narrative text. So a narrative text, it tells a story which can be imaginary or factual. So it can be fiction or non-fiction, and including orientation or introduction, complication, and the last is resolution. Next, we have the purposes of narrative text. Purposes of narrative text has 2 points. The first is to entertain the readers. When we read a story or watch the story about narrative text, we must feel happy, enjoy, and excited, right?
Yeah.
Like, have you ever read about story about Kancil, maybe?
Yes.
Like this, when we are a child. And next is to convey moral message or life lesson through the action and experience of the characters. Like the experience of the characters. So the purposes of narrative text has 2 points. The first is
To entertain the reader,
yes. Number 2,
to convey moral message.
And next, narrative text has a generic structure and has 3 parts. The first is orientation. Usually, in orientation shows the introduction of the characters in the narrative text, like her name or she live in where, and the time and the place of the story. Next is complication. Complication problem or conflict faced by the characters. So it shows step by step of the conflict in the story, like the first begin of the conflict until the climax of conflict. And the last is resolution. Resolution shows how the problem is solved and tell how the story ends. Last, language features of narrative text has 2 points. The first is using past tense because narrative text happens in the past, so it must be use a past tense. As is using a proverbial of time. Usually, narrative text it begins with once upon a time, one long story, and in a small village. This is of narrative text. The first is fairy tale, like Tinkerbell. Do you ever watch Tinkerbell movies, everyone?
Yes.
Fairy tale and Bible. Bible, the characters come from animal. Then is legend, myth, folktale, and 3 parts is come from folklore story. Folklore story. Legend is from traditional stories like Malin Kundang, Sangkuriang, and the myths. Myth is like the fate of the people, like this, and folktale. And last is fantasy story. Fantasy story, the example is full of imaginary, like Marvel, like and Harry Potter. Do you like these movies, everyone? Marvel and Harry Potter?
Yes.
And the last, I have a story about Timun Mas and Buto Ijo. To check your understanding about narrative text, I have a short paragraph about Timun Mas and Buto Ijo. You can analyze and read and remember about the gender structure. Because before we learn about gender structure, you can analyze where's the orientation, the complication, and the last is
Resolution.
while you read this paragraph, you can try to answer your task, everyone. Have you done with the task 1, everyone? While you do the task, you can try to discuss about the task 1, everyone. From the task 1, where's the orientation of story Timun Mas and Buto Ijo?
Paragraph 1.
Yes, true. Good one. And the next complication, where's the paragraph number, everyone?
2 and 3.
Yes, good. And the last, resolution. Where's the resolution?
In the last paragraph.
It's the last paragraph. Because 3, what did Buto Ijo give to Mbok Srini?
Bersih.
Yes. And then, where did Buto Ijo come to take Timur Mas? Why did Timur Mas throw the magical item? Yes, good. And the last, how did Buto Ijo die?
Fell into her mouth.
Yes, good. Okay. Thank you everyone. Clap for yourself. You're doing so good today. And because our class has been completed, hopefully you can get more benefits from our lesson today. And don't forget to keep practicing again and again in your home. And let's close our class today with saying Hamdalah.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Thank you for today. See you next week and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.